Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video, we are taking a look at the AMD stock. Now we'll take a look at the price action. Is this thing going down to $185 range? That's what we are going to see in AMD stock price action. What makes me say that? We'll talk about all of that in this video through the lens of technicals, and also before going further, I want to let you know none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. And one more thing, if you are interested in following along my portfolio as I make buys and sells, I'm starting a new portfolio where you will be just able to follow along whatever I'm doing. If that interests you, you can join this waitlist, and this form link is in the description of this video. It's a free waitlist to join, and in coming days and weeks, we'll send you an email with all the details and information on how to access this service. Okay, now coming back over here on AMD, we are almost sort of forming a top here. Okay, now market conditions right now, no matter how great AI news comes out across the whole industry and sector or the category, if the market overall conditions are not supporting it, the sentiment is not supporting it, AMD alone can't go up. There is definitely Nvidia's earnings coming up that may change things around, but no one knows what's going to happen. If Nvidia pushes higher, it can take AMD higher as well. But what is the price action telling us right now? Because if that doesn't happen on Wednesday, we will continue in this negative structure that AMD is in. Yes, AMD is in a negative structure. How can I say that? The reason I am saying that is because technicals are telling us that. Okay, so let's talk about that. So we are, though haven't confirmed yet this as a double top, we do have a bit of multi-day weakness ongoing. Okay, so let's get to the hourly interval. AMD has constantly been testing. First of all, the retest of all-time highs happened already with a little bit of a lower high. That's okay. Before that also, we were a little bit in the downtrend here, right? And if you're a member on my Patreon, I have talked to you guys about it, and we made a lot of money actually, guys, on AMD. We took multiple plays, and I have told you before as well about it. So our first play was from $77 all the way to this zone of 175, more than doubled our money. And then we started another play from this zone over here at 157, and we made our money all the way up here. This is where technically 252. Very happy. Every member has been very happy with not just AMD, many other stocks as well that I cover, and I'm also very happy. So okay, the point being now, it's not in the bullish structure as I just showed you on the hourly interval. We were first of all previously in the multi-day negative, but then this is where it did some breakout, and yeah, we were prepared. Okay, some push-up is coming. However, that's result because we were already so extended that resulted in just a double top test over here, right? Now what we are seeing is that again multi-day we are weakening on AMD, all right, and thus multi-day we are in the downtrend, so there is weakness in AMD. As we stay in this weakness, I'll talk about where can weakness turn into strength from where we are in just a while. But first, let's talk about as we are in this weakness, our next target technically starts to looks like 227. And after 227, we do have a room to test 186. Okay. There won't be much supporting AMD after 227 below, and that may push it lower to 185, which is a healthy pullback, I would say. And there is one more thing. If we go to the weekly interval on AMD, we have almost pretty much like penny to penny precise almost have made a top line touch over there. top of the line run up has happened on AMD. And when market conditions are not supporting the overall strength in the market, it's tough for AMD to right away push higher and test again, make another new all-time highs. I think AMD, as already technicals on the hourly interval are confirming negativeness, as that negativeness continues, 185 is a possibility down here on AMD. Now, while I'm talking about that, what can turn around AMD if we want to get back in the strength? So let's get to the hourly interval. So on the hourly interval, if AMD wanna show us some strength again, the bulls in the bulls zone, we have to start to get above tomorrow 247 and 40 cents, or closer to 247 and 40 cents. If AMD doesn't do that, if AMD just a little bit goes up here but then starts to fizzle down again, now it's still gonna remain in the negative structure. And even from this significant level where AMD is 241, it's gonna below that still remain in the negative structure. Okay, so that's that. So Nvidia, I'm not going to talk about Nvidia in this video, guys, but what I'm going to let you know is Nvidia's earnings. Let's just open that up. Nvidia's earnings are on Wednesday, and a lot depends. If AMD pushes higher, then it can change a little bit of the sentiment. We'll see. Nvidia has been the savior for many earnings season now. It has always taken out the market from recession. It has taken out the market from all the problems. So let's see if it can pull it off again. And Nvidia video that I did on my public channel 2 days ago around, check that video out. Everything is working out just as per what I mentioned, and you can get more information over there on my channel. Check that video out. And if you are a member on Patreon, you're already getting the regular coverage on not just Nvidia and AMD, but many other stocks as well. All right, guys, that's all I had for you in this video. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.